Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about the very critical product for industry or for commercial premises or for the homes. That is motion sensor hooter manufactured by Mimic. So what is motion sensor hooter and where it is being used, I am going to explain you, and all the details, also technical details, I am going to explain you now. Motion sensor hooter is, in plain language we can say, it detects the motion. It is not detecting the person, but it is detecting the motion of the person in a particular defined area and makes a sound. So this is a motion sensor hooter. The application is, of course, is for security. So where the person is not supposed to come, like a thief or something like that supposed to come, or in industrial area where there are some critical operations or machinery is moving, the workers are not supposed to come. So we have to alert them. There is something moving, you should not come inside. Or for the thieves, for the security, so nobody should come, and continuously you cannot watch who is coming or not. So this motion sensor watches, is there any movement? If there is a movement, it will make a big sound. This is the first application. So how this happens? Generally this hooter is being fitted on the walls, inside or outside. Inside for plants where the person should not enter, and for outside for thieves. That is the simple thing. Now hooter is being fitted like this on the walls, and there is a movement. You can set the target, which area you want to do it. See, it is the movements are in this side, or in movements are in this side. This complete focused area you have to define. Suppose there is a shutter of a watch shop. You can fit and focus near your shutter. So if any person comes near the shutter in the night, it will make a very big sound. It's a very big wobbling sound. So there are some settings, like suppose you want to make the sound even in the daylight area. Then also it is having a setting of lux, ambient lux, how much light it should work. That is the setting. And second is the timer. So you cannot have unlimited on of the timer, this thing hooter. When it is been detected, it will be on. If there is a motion is not there, then only it will be on, because first the motion is detected, the hooter is on, and it will be on for a pre-described time which has been set. So it is maximum time, minimum time is 10 seconds it will sound, and maximum time is 15 minutes. So if up to 15 minutes it will sound, so it will alert and people will come and do the next necessary action. These are the primary applications and the primary introduction of this motion sensor hooter. Now there are some mechanical things about this. There are the mountings are being given in metallic structure, MS structure, powder coated. The box is a ABS box. This body of this motion sensor is a ABS body. There is a socket over here which again is of ABS. So these are the mechanical characteristics. And about the weatherproofness, it is a weatherproof IP54. IP54 means you cannot give direct splash of light on this. You should have some cover if you put it on the outdoor side, and in indoor you don't have to do anything. Then electrically it is available for 24 volt DC, 48 volt DC, 110 volt AC or 230 volt AC. So why the 24 volt DC is needed? If the power is not there, the battery supply can be given 24 volt DC. So it will work when the power is there or power is not there. Also there is some provision, optional provision is given, that there will be output also for the light. It is optional if it is being required. So when the hooter is on, you get a floodlight over there. So if it is there is a night, nobody will know why the sound is there, because there is dark. In that case, this particular will give an output to a lamp, floodlight or a street light or something like that, and that will also glow. So you will come to know why the sound is making sound. Also, there is one more optional output is there, which is a flashing light, which will give red flashing light, and it will alert which motion sensor is being activated. So these are the optional things, and it is a application of multi multiple applications are there, like farmhouses, houses, commercial premises, factories. So if you need any technical information or you want to purchase, you can contact me on 98212 or you can mail us on mimic.cells@gmail.com. Thank you.